好，咁第13條，咁咧佢就話有個波咧0.2 kg 嘅 release from rest， 跟住咧佢 hit 咗個 ground， 跟住之後 rebound 啦嚇。咁跟住咧我哋咧就攞翻佢個 VT graph velocity time graph of 個波，咁啊 plot 翻出嚟啦，咁啊見到一幅咁嘅圖，咁我就 base on 呢幅圖啦，咁我哋問翻嗰啲以下邊個 statement 係啱同錯嘅。咁第一，佢話 magnitude of the change in momentum of the ball 咧 during the collision 係1.2 kg meter per second 嘅。嗱，咁個 change in momentum 咧嚇就係 mv 減 mu 啦。嗱，咁如果計翻 mv 減 mu 嘅時候啦，嗱，咁其實我哋可以抽出嚟就係 m 嘅 v 減 u 啦嚇，咁即係0.2啦，跟住乘翻 v 咧佢就係-2，跟住嗰個 u 咧就係減翻4啦嚇，咁所以咧呢個數就係-6乘翻1.2，咁所以係-1.2嘅。咁如果佢話嗱個 change in momentum 係-1.2嚇，咁當然我而家 omit 咗個 unit 先啦嚇，因為唔係重點。咁但係佢而家講嘅係 magnitude 喎，咁個 magnitude 咁咪就係1.2咯嚇，咁所以咧第一個 statement 咧係啱嘅。跟住之後咧就話第二個 statement 啦，佢話 magnitude of the average force acting on the ball by the ground during the collision 係12個 Newton。咁其實呢個啱唔啱咧嚇？咁咧我建議大家咧，如果去到揾 force 嘅話咧，點咧無論點複雜都好，千祈要諗翻 free body diagram 嚇。咁其實咧粒波咧原本 free fall 落去啦，直到佢 hit 到個 ground 嘅時候咧，佢個 net force 係幾多咯嚇？呢樣嘢一定係要諗到嘅嚇。如果冇諗到嘅話咧，咁咪好難做啦。嗱，佢話個 average force acting on the ball by the ground， 即係嗰個 force acting on the ground， 即係個 ground 咧向上俾嗰度力係12個 Newton。咁但係大家諗下，其實啱唔啱先？嗱，佢咧喺呢個位其實佢仲有個 mg， 佢就 balance by 個 force acting on the ball by the ground。其實呢個咧可以當係個 reaction force 嚟嘅，係啊，就係咁樣頂鬼佢上去嘅嚇。咁所以呢個先係佢個 net force。咁我當呢個係F 啦嚇。咁所以 net force 咧係 F 減 mg， 喺 collision 嗰刻就有個 F 減 mg 呢一度 force， 而呢度 force 係大過0，咁而呢度 force 咧再頂翻個波上去。OK， 咁好啦，咁究竟嗰度 force 係幾多咧？嗱，啱啱我哋計咗嗰個 change in momentum 啦嚇。咁 change in momentum 除翻個時間，咁就係個 force 啊嘛。咁個時間我哋睇翻嗰幅 graph 咧，咁由0.4去到0.5就係0.1，咁所以係1.2除0.1啦，嚇咁啊12。咁所以咧個 net force 咧係12嚟嘅。咁而如果 net force 係12嘅話咧，咁呢個 force acting on the ball by the ground 咧就一定唔係12啦嚇。如果個 net force 係12嘅話咧，呢度 force 咧就係12加個 mg 啦，即係加2。呢度 force 係14嘅，就要 OK。咁所以第二係錯嘅。嗱，咁跟住我哋睇埋第三啦。There is mechanical energy loss during the collision。咁你點知有冇 mechanical energy loss 咧？其實 mechanical energy loss 咧講緊咧就係 KE 同埋 PE。咁其實 during the collision 嘅話咧，我哋咧最好嘅方法睇下有冇 energy loss 咧，就係睇佢嘅 mechanical energy before 個 collision 同埋 after 個 collision。如果係唔同，咁咪一定係有啲 energy loss 喺個 collision 入邊啦。咁其實 before 同 after 個 collision 咧，個 PE 咧都係冇變過嘅，唯一變就係個 KE。因為咧原本 before 個 collision 咧，擺呢幅圖咧，佢個 velocity 係4嘅嚇。咁咧，所以原本咧個 KE 咧就係咁多。after 之後咧個 KE 咧，佢呢個係-2嚟嘅，咁-2次咧係跌咗嘅個 KE。咁所以咧一定係有 energy loss。咁所以1、3係啱嘅，答案咧就係 B 啦。